everyone, I'm Pinkle here, Pinkle from Pink Luscious Baker, based in Hyderabad, working from 3-4 years, no, 5 years. Yeah, working in this industry, baking industry, since 5 years. And I'm really enjoying. This is my passion, which converted into profession, and this has changed my life. Believe me, I just don't know when and how I just came into this profession, but it has taken out a lot of creativity out of me, which is for me, it's too much. I never knew that I have that much in me, and I'm loving it personally. Yeah, what made me to take up this career? This is something, if you ask me, it was not intentionally at all. My sister-in-law, who comes here every year to spend her summer holidays. So what she generally do at that time in June, my birthday, her birthday, and my another sister-in-law's husband's birthday comes. And every time, every year she comes and she bakes a cake at home, like we have bought it from bakery. So it always fantasizes me कि ये घर पे इतना अच्छा केक कैसे बनता है. And I was like, Didi, I want to learn this. And she always says, अरे it's very easy, तेरे को आ जाएगा. It's nothing at all. I'm like, नहीं, मुझे सीखना है. And she is the one behind my present day. Means if she haven't baked that lovely cakes at home, I don't think I would have ever think about this profession. And believe me, I didn't think about this profession. I just started baking at home, and my friends, our friends and our family would started giving me orders for the cakes, and that makes a U-turn in my life. That was actually a U-turn in my life, and I took it as a profession. All thanks to my friends and my family. Big thanks to my mother-in-law, who always supports me, and my hubby too. So, jackfruit is my favorite dish. Like raw jackfruit, we make curry out of it. In Delhi, in north, not in south. I'm in south now, and I had that curry and that dish, I think 17 years back. I still crave for that. I just love the way my mom makes it. But I don't go Delhi in this winter time, so I can't have it. That makes me feel sad. All the love and hygiene, that's my favorite thing while I'm baking, while I'm cooking. I just love each and every second of it, unless I'm not angry. So it is something like that. I always love it. Yeah, and my favorite cuisine is Punjabi, hardcore Punjabi. Yeah. So I want my customers should taste my dishes, my bakes, and that taste should linger in their mind till years and years and years and years. In future, I see myself as a chef, hopefully very soon. And I want to have my own studio. That too, hopefully very soon, if my God will be there with me, as He always is. And definitely I want to see myself in top bakers of India. One thing I would like to convey to the home bakers out there, those who are striving and those who are trying to make their space in this place, in this baking industry, just don't fall for your customers who are looking for just cheap things, cheap bakes, cheap cakes. always go for the best quality ingredients, best things for your cakes, and go and learn best techniques and price accordingly. Don't give them just in a little price to get the customer or to spoil the industry. Don't do this. You will at the loss at the end. You will not get the customer, but at the end you will at the loss. Better go learn and then you start with the best things. This is the only advice to all the home bakers out there.